I'm so excited. This is our big secret. This is what we've been waiting for how long, Daniel? For a while now.
It's a big secret, yes.
It's coming now. It's still in here.
Been waiting for weeks.
So, you're still thinking about what we're waiting for?
Happy little fight. Hey.
Yeah, we have to do an inspection on it too. Okay, let's see. So here it is. Gosh, it's so exciting. Are we blocking the road? There is a car on there. Yeah, come on, Bam Bam. Are you excited? Yes. What did you say?
You didn't hear? I don't know.
So, and that's enough. Yeah. Ta-da! So when you get a freeze dry from Harvest Right, you have this thing that you have to inspect it, and they say that you have to cut the ribbons. Here she is. So she went through the inspection and she's fine. Oh, look at that. Isn't she pretty? So here's the nice FedEx guy. And we're now going to try to get our baby
I can get there.
from here and in there. Oh, thank you, Mr. FedEx. Okay. Good. Awesome. Thank you. A little hand truck. And here she is, and here's her tag. I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. This is going to be so much fun. And there's the intake, and here's the other side where the pump is, and this is the drainage. So, can't wait. What do you think, Daddy? Are you filming?
Yes.
So, we didn't get to unbox it outside because it was dark, but
Yes.
there she is.
Yes.
That's our baby girl. And this is the twin. We got twins. This is... Just can't hide it. Okay, so this is the premier vacuum pump that comes with it, right?
Right.
And then we have oxygen absorbers. We have our oil filter. This is to go for the water to come out, I'm pretty sure, and for the oil to go in. And we have our miler bags. So, and this will be our oil.
Sealer.
No, this is our sealer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I guess the oil is in here somewhere.
Yes. That's the trays. 5 trays.
Yeah, we can show the trays. Surcagnottes. I think I'll take that one. Oops. They got blueberry fillings. No, not blueberry. Blackberry.
Blackberry filling. Yes.
So, do you think they will be good freeze dried?
I don't know, but it wouldn't hurt to try. Freeze dried donuts. Yes.
So we got a freeze dryer.
Yes, we got a freeze dryer.
Maybe we can freeze dry the surcagnottes.
I don't know if they're going to survive the...
I think we gave some to the FedEx guy and some to the neighbor.
Yes.
I think I want to have some too.
Yes, and I do too.
I think we have to fight you for these. Maybe we can use them as tokens when we do the dreidel game.
Yes.
No, I'm gonna eat mine. No, it doesn't carry. I don't care.
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts about getting a freeze dryer?
I'm kind of in shock. And we accidentally blocked a neighbor for a short time.
Oh my gosh, she was cussing so bad. Sorry,
Yes.
neighbor.
Sorry, neighbor.
But we got a freeze dryer.
Yes, we got a freeze dryer.
So I'll try not to sound that excited. Why are we so excited? Come on, we spent like the money that we could have bought a small car for
Yes.
on a little box.
Yes, a little box that for food. But that's the thing, it's for food. And that's what is no more important than a car.
Yeah, we have one vehicle.
Yeah.
So we're gonna freeze dry, and what we have a dehydrator. So why would we be like so excited about a freeze dryer?
Because you can freeze dry everything. You can it'll do liquids too. Dehydrator, you can't really do liquids.
It preserves better, doesn't it? There's more nutrition in it. Like it keeps almost all the nutrition.
Mm-hmm.
And the storage life is way longer. It's like what, 25 years?
25.
As long as you use the oxygen absorber, that
Yeah.
is. It's lightweight. So
Yes.
when we do the backpacks and we have hiker food, it's
Yes.
perfect, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're gonna do a video about backpacks too, aren't you?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I want to go and have coffee and I've got notes.
Yeah,
What do
me
you
too.
think?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. I have to make another batch and try to freeze dry them.
No.
Yeah.
Our food.
No, I'll make double.
No, so that means I'll just have double.
Yeah.